Hello, my geeky knights, Mystic here, and today I'm going to do a cosplay tutorial to be exact, on how to wash your wigs at an affordable price. I think there's already a YouTube video showing this way, but I just want to show my way of doing it, so I'm going to show you. First of all, what you're going to need is a towel, the wig that you're going to need clean. The wig I'm using is kind of old and dingy, and most of my other wigs are already clean, so that's why I'm using this older wig that I don't really wear anymore, and some laundry detergent. Only half a cup, like half of this I would recommend, and your sink. So first, we're gonna put the water on the sink at lukewarm. Like, that lukewarm is barely cold and barely hot. So, start with the lukewarm water. Sorry if it's loud, the faucet's loud. I can't do anything about it. I don't have a good editing system right now, so... Oh, that's a little too hot. See, you gotta feel the water as you're going by. Like, okay, maybe you have to... And then once the water's lukewarm enough, we put this in. I mean, not that, the dish soap. Not the dish soap, the laundry detergent. Sorry, guys. I can't speak today. Still needs a lot more cold water than that. Okay. Is it almost... Okay, maybe a little bit more cold water. Guys, this is taking a while. Okay, that's better. Then we put our soap in. So how you can determine how much soap is if your hands feel greasy, like the soap is gliding through it. Like, I'm probably gonna need both my hands for the next part, but I'm gonna try to one-hand it all. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this to help with the suds and stuff that I want a lot of soaps for some reason. So yeah, that's okay. That seems like enough water. So first of all, when you wash a wig, you want to turn it inside out like this, and then you slowly put the wig in, and then you basically take both your hands and basically rub it into the wig. Oh god, I'm running out of water. What the heck? I guess my thing was not plugged in, but basically you get my gist. Just keep on doing this. Like, really massage the wig through nicely, because you want it to, not only will it make your wig softer, it'll make it smell really good too. Okay, I think that's enough of a wash. So then you turn your wig back the right way, and then I'm gonna empty this water out. Why did I put so much water in? And then you are going to wash all the suds out with cold water. So, like, yeah, wash all the suds out with cold water. Like, make sure you get everything out with cold water. The cold water. So you don't want the water too hot because the wigs are made out of plastic. Or some of them are made out of plastic, some of them could be made out of human hair, but most of my wigs are plastic. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to mention what wigs this usually works by. Then I shake it off a bit, and then we're gonna place it. A method that I've learned from other cosplayers is if you put your hand through this and just lay it looking like you're about to put it on, it'll help it dry better. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to mention what wigs work. This works with wigs from Wish, this works with wigs from AliExpress, this works with wigs from Amazon. I don't know about Arta yet, but I know Arta wigs have their own way of taking care of and washing the wigs, so that's all what I know right now. But yeah, then you're done. You wait overnight for this to dry, and you're done. Thank you for watching. I hope you give a big thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Bye, Geeky Knights!